Hello and welcome back to this channel once again. I believe that you clicked on this video purposely because you are a candidate for this year's NOVDEC or private WASSCE exams and you are looking forward to passing the core mathematics paper. Passing core mathematics has become a bit of a challenge to most students in recent times because we have a lot of students who have attempted this paper severally and have failed almost in every attempt. But the question we need to ask ourselves is core mathematics in itself very difficult to pass, or the difficulty has to do with NOVDEC exams in general? Well, you need not to worry because in this video, we are going to 1. Discuss some of the topics that appeared in this year's WASSCE and are likely to appear in this year's NOVDEC exams, and then secondly, I'm going to share with you some important tips on how to pass NOVDEC exams. Now, if you are new here, make sure you subscribe to this channel, like this video and share this video to all your friends. Make sure you comment under this video, especially if you have any questions for me. Now let's start with the first part of the video, that is discussing the topics that appeared in this year's WASSCE and are likely to appear in this year's NOVDEC core mathematics paper. So the first on the list is the topic Plane Geometry 2, what we call circle theorems. Circle theorems is a major topic in mathematics, and for that matter, we have questions on this topic repeating year after year. A lot of students find it very difficult to answer questions regarding circle theorems because of two important things that they leave out when studying this particular topic. Now in this video, I'm going to show you these two important things I'm talking about. Now for you to clearly understand the topic circle theorems, the first thing that you need to consider is 1. You need to learn and understand the parts of a circle, and then secondly, you need to learn and understand the properties of a circle. These are the two important things that you need to understand before you attempt any question in circle theorems. So talking about the parts of a circle, you should be able to understand the meaning of a chord, the meaning of a diameter, the meaning of circumference of a circle, and even the word subtend. Now talking about the properties, if you are being told that a chord or an arc subtend an angle at so and so degrees at the circumference of a circle, you should understand what this primarily means. Okay, so it is very important that you learn the parts of a circle and the properties of a circle. These are the two important things that are going to help you to clearly understand the topic circle theorems. Now there are 3 circle theorem questions that appeared in the WASSCE 2021 core mathematics paper, and these questions are found in our textbooks. Now, because we had a lot of questions on this very topic in the WASSCE 2021 core mathematics paper, it is likely that we are going to have a number of questions on this same topic in the NOVDEC 2021 paper, especially if a lot of students could not successfully attempt these questions. Now, let's move on to the topic mensuration. Now, mensuration is also a very important topic in mathematics, and then we had a question on this particular topic in the WASSCE 2021 core mathematics paper. So you should consider solving questions on this particular topic before the final day. Basically, you should be looking out for how to find the length of a plane figure, the perimeter, the area, the volume, and all of that. Now let's move on to the topic trigonometry. Now under trigonometry, you should be looking out for how to solve questions under Pythagoras theorem. Most of the times you'll be given 2 sides of a triangle and then you'll be asked to find the third side of the triangle, or you can be given 1 side of the triangle and then 1 interior angle of a triangle, and then you'll be asked to use the trig ratios to find the other sides of the triangle. Also under this topic, you may be asked to find the angle of elevation and the angle of depression. So it is very important that you consider this topic when studying for the NOVDEC 2021 core mathematics paper. Now let's move on to the topic sets. Sets is one of the most easiest topics that you may get a question on in any exam. Now under sets, you should be looking out for how to simplify a set and then how to rationalize a set. These are the 2 most important things that you need to take notice of under this topic. Now let's move on to the topic indices and logarithm. So indices and logarithms are also not too difficult topics as far as core mathematics is concerned. You need to also look into these 2 topics as you prepare for your exam. Now to vectors. Vectors is also an important topic in mathematics. Under this topic, Basically, what you need to do is you need to know the types of vectors that we have: equal vectors, perpendicular vectors, parallel vectors, and so on and so forth. You should also know how to find the resultants of two vectors and all of that. Now let's move on to the topic bearing. Now we had a question on this topic in the WASSCE 2021 core mathematics paper. So you should look out for that question and try to solve that question. Under this topic, you may be asked to find the bearing of a point from another and the distance between 2 points. Now this also links to Pythagoras theorem, because if you have one of the angles to be 90 degrees, then finding the distance between 2 points, you may be required to use Pythagoras theorem. So you need to solve a lot of questions on this topic to be familiar with the topic. Now to the topic modular arithmetic. Question 1 of WASSCE 2021 core mathematics paper had to do with modular arithmetic. So you should not joke with this topic. Now let's move on to coordinate geometry 1. So under this topic, you should be looking out for how to find the distance between 2 points, how to find the midpoint between 2 points, and also questions relating to how to find the equation of a line. Now let's move on to the topic probability. In WASSCE 2021 core mathematics, we had a question on probability. So you should also take notice of that topic. Also on statistics, you should also take notice of that topic. Now to trace set problems. We had a question on trace set problems. And so you should also revise this topic, because if a question on this topic is going to repeat, then it's going to carry a lot of marks. So you should also consider revising this topic. Now let's move on to ratio and proportion. So ratio and proportion is also one of the easiest topics that you can get questions on in an exam. So kindly revise that topic too. Now sequence and series. In the WASSCE 2021 core mathematics paper, there was a question on sequence and series. So try to get that question and then solve and try to understand the solution before you finally sit behind the NOVDEC exam paper. Now to the topic relations, mapping, and functions. There was a question on this particular topic, so try to revise your notes on this particular topic. Now, one of the topics that mostly appears in NOVDEC exams is the topic variation. Variation is one of the topics that repeats itself year after year in the NOVDEC exams. So you should also be looking out for this topic, how to solve questions on direct, inverse, partial, and then joint variations. Now let's move on to simultaneous equations. Simultaneous equations are not difficult to solve. In WASSCE 2021 core mathematics paper, there was a question on logical reasoning. So you should also revise your notes on this particular topic, and also on the topic percentages, calculating the profit and loss, discount, commission, and so on and so forth. Also try to solve questions on this topic before you finally sit behind the NOVDEC 2021 core mathematics paper. So these are some of the topics that are likely to appear in this year's NOVDEC 2021 core mathematics paper. So you should try as much as possible to solve a lot of questions on these topics that I have mentioned so far. So for the second part of this video, I'm going to share with you 4 important tips that are going to help you to pass this year's NOVDEC exams. Now, the first thing I'm going to talk about is to learn to the point that you are familiar with the learning material. In the 2021 core mathematics WASSCE paper, there were 3 questions on circle theorem that appeared in the essay part. Now, the only thing they did was to change some of the angles. Now, if you learn to the point that you are familiar with the material, you could even picture the solution in the textbook even if you've forgotten how to solve the question. So it is very important for you to learn to the point that you are familiar with your learning materials. Getting familiar with the learning material has nothing to do with chewing, sitting behind the paper and then pouring whatever you've chewed. I'm not talking about that. The focus is to learn and understand the principles of each and every topic that you study. And as you learn over and over, you become familiar with the material and then you tend to understand everything that you read. The second thing I'm going to talk about is to have enough time for preparation. Now, to pass the NOVDEC exam or any other exam, you need to have enough time to learn your materials and then try to understand everything that you learn. the more you study, or the more you have time for studies, the more you are able to clearly understand certain topics and then have various ways of solving or attempting certain difficult questions that you even come across. So it is very important that you have enough time to study so that you could even finish the syllabus or the topics that you are supposed to treat before you sit behind the paper. The third point, I'm going to talk about you setting realistic goals and try to achieve them. Now you need to get a study plan that is more realistic and achievable. For instance, on your study plan, you can schedule to learn mathematics on Monday, English on Tuesday, social studies on Wednesday, biology on Thursday, and so on and so forth. But you can't have a plan where you are going to learn mathematics, social studies, English, econs, and so on and so forth all in one day. That is not quite realistic. So you can't compile 3 subjects in a day and then try to understand everything that you learn. It doesn't work that way. So you should have at least 1 subject a day, or at most 2 subjects a day. And then also try to learn subjects that are not too familiar in a particular day. For instance, if you are learning core mathematics in the morning, you can choose to learn a reading subject in the evening. If you learn a reading subject in the morning, you can choose to learn a calculation subject in the evening. So you need to, find the balance. Now, the last thing I'm going to talk about is to believe in yourself. There are situations where we have a lot of students attempting these exams severally and have failed almost in every attempt. So in that case, that person is going to have challenges with self-confidence. But I'm going to assure you that once you prepare adequately before the exams, once you have a study plan and then you try to go strictly to the study plan, once you learn to the point that you are familiar with the learning material, I'm going to assure you that you are going to pass this year's NOVDEC exams. I hope you enjoyed the content of this video. If you did, do well to like this video and share this video to all your friends. Don't forget to also subscribe to this channel to help the channel to grow. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye bye.